Hello, today I got something a little bit different for you. It's not a FPV drone video, it's an FPV tank video. This was a 3D printed project I found on Thingiverse. I thought it looked pretty sick, so I decided to print it out. Oh yeah, by the way, I have a 3D printer now. I bought the Creality Ender 3 V2, but that's not what this video is about. Here's the tank. It's got a 2-axis servo gimbal, so you can look around the camera. The camera is a Foxier, I think, toothless, and the video transmitter is like a 800 milliwatt rush tank, something embedded. I put it inside the casing of the tank. So it has tank steer. Yeah. So this is what I built. That looked pretty sick. Here now.
Hello, this is a voiceover I figured I would do instead of placing copyrighted music here. So this is just me driving around. As you can see, here's the footage of that. I was just driving under my dining table. It's a little messy. I didn't really clean the house or this area of the house when I was driving around. But I figured I'd take this time to talk about the technical specs. So like I said in the intro, I found this project on Thingiverse, and it looks pretty sick, so I thought I would print it out with my 3D printer. The tracks are TPU. The original tracks that came with that project, I just kind of threw them out because they were supposed to be rigid plastic. I'm driving through the chairs. They're supposed to be rigid plastic, and you had to buy pins that would interlock in them. The rigid plastic tracks snapped and kept on breaking, so that I got fed up with that, so I figured I'd just print TPU. Oh, by the way, my Ender 3 can print TPU without any modifications. I'll link to a video down in the description to show you how to do that. So yeah, the tracks are TPU, which is just flexible filament. So that was kind of cool. I had to print that. I put a 5-volt computer fan in the back, and I just cut out slits in the back paneling with my Dremel, just because the video transmitter got really hot. It like burned my finger really bad. So I didn't really want that in a plastic tank because it's probably going to melt something. And I want my video transmitter to last as long as possible. It was mainly built for just an FPV drone type thing, so it's usually supposed to have like air on it and stuff, so I put the fan in there. The battery I'm running is a 2000 milliamp hour 7.8 volt battery. Everything is connected to a power distribution board inside the tank, and the receiver I'm using is just some generic old FR Sky receiver with all the channels broken out, and I hooked it up to my QX7, so it works pretty well. I get pretty good range. What else is there to talk about? The two servos are just like two 9-gram servos for the gimbal. What else? That's about it. So, yeah, I'll link to the project to this tank down below. And, yeah, I guess I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.